Do you know what Carnival is? Every year in February and March, millions of people celebrate Carnival. But what is Carnival? Keep on watching and you will find out it soon. Carnival celebration. Carnival celebration. During Carnival celebration, streets are full of colors. During Carnival celebration, streets are full of colors. Carnival celebration. Carnival celebration. To participate in Carnival celebration, you need a costume. A costume. A costume. Carnival costumes are decorated with jewels, feathers, and beads. Jewels, feathers, and beads. The most popular carnival festivals take place in USA, Brazil, Italy, Germany, and Spain. Every year, a theme of carnival is different. A carnival theme. A carnival theme. A carnival theme. Carnival Band is a group of people dressed in costumes who compete to become the band of the year. Carnival Band. Carnival Band. Carnival Band. If you visit the Carnival of Venice, you will need a mask. The use of identity-concealing masks dates back to the 13th century. If you visit Carnival in Spain, the celebration begins with the Carnival Queen selection. Once Queen is chosen, the party can start. Let's review the vocabulary. Carnival. Carnival. Carnival celebration. Carnival celebration. A carnival theme. A carnival theme. A carnival costume. A carnival costume. Mask. Mask. A carnival band. A carnival band. A carnival queen. A carnival queen. A carnival queen selection. A carnival queen selection. For more videos, keep on watching.